आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
Ladies and gentlemen, Rahul Gandhi has an attention deficit disorder, politically speaking, quite obviously, because in the middle of a budget session, you're expected to make a major speech and you hold up an article and you say, you know, I have got this information that a former army chief has questioned the government of India and exposed his memoir, exposes grave details. His name is General Narwane, and his unpublished memoir exposes grave details of the problems in the Modi government's handling of a China border crisis. Now, that is absolutely unadulterated garbage. But what else do you expect but unadulterated garbage from this 57-year-old with a ostensible and apparent attention deficit disorder? Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the core issue. The core issue is what? The core issue is that there is a claim that Narwane was about to publish a book. The book has not been published. And in the book, unpublished, hence unverifiable in that sense, it says that around the end of August 2020, when COVID was on, at that point of time, there was a stepping up of tension between India and China. It was reported that after we had made some gains, some strategic gains in Ladakh, in the Kailash range area, 4 Chinese tanks had moved up, and the Chinese tank movement was reported. It was reported by the commander down to Delhi, down to the defense minister and down to the prime minister. And it is said with a little bit of usual excitement that there were up and down conversation, but there was no clear message which came back to General Narwane on what should be done. It then says, ladies and gentlemen, and this is where Rahul Gandhi gets it all wrong. He's messed up. Ladies and gentlemen, it says that at one point of time when General Manoj Mukund Narwane wanted directions from the Prime Minister on what should be done. Ladies and gentlemen, and I now quote the full thing. If you quote Narwane, Narwane's claim in his book, apparently unpublished, says that Rajnath Singh had spoken to Prime Minister Narendra Modi when the tension was building up. What should India do when the Chinese tanks are moving up and are a few hundred meters away from gaining higher ground? Apparently, then the Prime Minister's instructions consisted of a single sentence, which is classical Narendra Modi. He says, "Jo uchit samjho wahi karo." Translated as, do whatever you deem appropriate. Which means actually that Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a free run to the Indian Army. That Prime Minister Narendra Modi said clearly to the Indian Army, go ahead, you have my full blessings, do what you want to defend the country. Ladies and gentlemen, that is as clear a message a political leadership can give to a military commander and army chief. It cannot be clearer than that. No army in the world can get more freedom to respond and hit back if necessary. Fire back if necessary, do whatever required to defend our sovereignty, than the words of the Prime Minister, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as quoted by General Narwane, but not quoted by Rahul Gandhi, the 57-year-old with attention deficit disorder. Not quoted by Rahul Gandhi because Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. And I repeat, he gave a clear instruction, the kind of instruction the Prime Minister also gave during Operation Sindoor. You can question Narendra Modi on anything, you can never question him on his strategic decision and the freedom that he's given to our armed forces. Ladies and gentlemen, his clear instructions were, Jo uchit samjho wahi karo. And I ask you, as citizens of India, do you not agree with this direction the Prime Minister gave to our army chief? Are you not proud? Are you not proud? Which means, at that point of time, the army chief was given a free run to take on China in the way you want. That can only come from a Prime Minister who says, do what you want militarily, I will handle the diplomatic and geopolitical consequences. This has never happened before, ladies and gentlemen, never happened before. It's a colossal misinterpretation, deliberate, malicious misinterpretation by Rahul Gandhi. In fact, not just this, if Rahul Gandhi actually wants to speak the truth on this matter, he should quote what Narwane himself said to a news agency. In an interview to A9, what did Narwane say in the context of this incident? He said, "We have not lost any territory, not an inch was lost. After we stood up for them, everyone said we are fighting for what is right. After the clash occurred, we showed it is possible to stand up to China. We diminished the stature of China as a country in global eyes." This is what Narwane has said. Now, if some God-forsaken writer for an unheard-of magazine spins it in a different way to do a long-form piece, is the government and army to be held to account? The problem with Rahul Gandhi is that he dislikes the Indian army. He wants to use every opportunity to show China up there and India lower than China. That's his entire game plan. Otherwise, he would have quoted what Narwane had said. He would have had the honesty, decency to quote the words of the Prime Minister quoted by Narwane. And I request General Narwane as well. Come on, General Narwane. You have been dragged into an unseemly political controversy. It should not have been the case. I know you have not lent yourself to this unwarranted situation. No army chief should go through what Rahul Gandhi has made you go through, General Narwane. But now that he has, General Narwane, you must speak up and tell the truth. Did you or did you not get a free run from the Prime Minister of India? And what more could you have expected? The decision on whether to fire, not to fire, to do something else, to use strategic advantage or display of strength. What General Narwane did was interesting. He showed our tanks and made our tanks visible to the people handling the Chinese tanks. The Chinese tanks were light tanks, ours were heavier, medium tanks. The moment the Chinese saw that we were in a higher position, ready to fire on lighter Chinese tanks, they panicked and they went back. Now, that is smart thinking by General Narwane, if that is indeed the true order of events, as he has narrated. But to try and politicize it, to say that India has not handled China well. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm putting on record the Prime Minister of India told the army chief, do what you want, in other words, I'll handle the consequences. This is a fearless Prime Minister, a sure Prime Minister, confident Prime Minister who knows he has the backing of the people of India and who is a true leader. Ladies and gentlemen, if Rahul Gandhi really wants to talk, then he should talk about how his great-grandfather in 1972 played down, giving up Aksai Chin and said, not a blade of grass grows there, don't worry, let's give it. If he really wants to talk, he should talk about 2013 when his mother was de facto Prime Minister of India, when a Chinese incursion in eastern Ladakh escalated tensions in Chumar. Instead of imposing diplomatic or military costs, Indian troops were made to dismantle forward observation posts and demolish live-in bunkers. Rahul Gandhi, read recent military history before you open your mouth. You are a disgrace here. And ladies and gentlemen, was it the BJP that kept quiet on the 19 kilometers incursion in India's Dipsang in 2013? April 15, 2013 to be exact, when a platoon of the PLA advanced 19 kilometers inside the LSC in the Dipsang area of eastern Ladakh. Then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh did not name, condemn or warn China publicly. That is the fact. And so it is a cheap tactic by Rahul Gandhi to grab a headline, grab some attention, show some relevance, do that t-shirt wearing number and try to appear like a teenager and say, oh, I will expose things. If he wanted to speak the truth, he should have said, he should come tomorrow to the Parliament of India and apologize for not telling the people of India that yes, the man sitting in front of us, the Prime Minister of India, is the same man who said to his army chief, Jo uchit samjho wahi karo. Ladies and gentlemen, do what you need to do. That is the backing a true leader gives to the chief of his army. That is the backing we are all proud of. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time that you, if you're watching this, share this with others so that Rahul Gandhi can be made to be accountable sometimes. Parliament is not a joke, ladies and gentlemen. And he's not behaving like a serious leader of the opposition for a long time. But if this attempt to drag the army into a political controversy goes unquestioned, then imagine what this person can do next, what Rahul Gandhi can do next. Think about it. Let's debate.
The tanks were within a few hundred meters of Indian positions on the Kailash range.
कैलाश रिज में टैंक, इनको किसने बताया है? ये लिखा हुआ नहीं पढ़ सकते आप, अध्यक्ष ने ना बोला है।
No sir, no sir, no sir. No, only started. No, he is not yielding.
This morning, as the motion of thanks began, we expected Treasury benches and the opposition to debate on the President's address. Instead, Rahul Gandhi went off the script.
This is from the memoir of Army Chief Naravane. And I'd like you to listen nicely. You will understand exactly who is patriotic, who is not. The tanks were within a few hundred meters of Indian positions on the Kailash range.
No sir, no sir, no sir. No, only started. No, he is not yielding. He is not yielding. Sir, this is not. He is not yielding. LOP is not yielding. He is on the foot. Defense minister cannot involve. How about it? He is only starting.
क्या वह पुस्तक प्रकाशित हुई है जिसमें यह सब सारी बातें लिखी हैं? यदि प्रकाशित हुई है तब तो आप उसका उल्लेख करिए, नहीं प्रकाशित हुई है तो उल्लेख करने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है।
At this point, Rahul Gandhi stuck his neck out and claimed that the former army chief himself had written the memoir. Facts suggest that it was never published.
इसमें नारावाने जी ने कहा है कि उनका मेमोआर है, उसे सरकार पब्लिश नहीं होने दे रही है, इसमें सब लिखा है। और मैं सिर्फ इसमें से 5 लाइन पढ़ना चाहता हूं जिसमें नारावाने जी ने राजनाथ सिंह के बारे में और मोदी जी के बारे में बोला है।
The entire day has been deadlocked because of the alleged memoir that Rahul Gandhi spoke about. Both Defence Minister and Home Minister tried to intervene.
He is quoting the map.
रक्षा मंत्री जी इतना ही कह रहे हैं कि नरवणे जी की पुस्तक को आप रिफर कर रहे हो तो वो प्रकाशित हुई या नहीं हुई, वो स्पष्टता करें। नरवणे की रिपोर्ट नहीं है, नरवणे का पुस्तक नहीं है, इतना स्पष्टता करे। मैगजीन तो कुछ भी लिख सकता है।
Ironically, Rahul Gandhi made it about national security as the Congress took on the BJP.
It's a matter of national security. It's a matter of national security. Chinese forces were right in front of our forces. Chinese forces, our forces had taken Kailash Ridge, sir, in eastern Ladakh. Chinese forces.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं व्यवस्था चाहता हूं कि ये जो बात जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष कह रहे हैं, इसकी जानकारी उनको कहां से प्राप्त हुई है?
The government has gone on the front foot today, reminding Congress of its blunders West China.
I come from Arunachal Pradesh. Every inch of territory is secured. Every village is connected. Every border point is connected with road, mobile phone, electricity, water supply. But during Congress time, all these borders were left to most backward region. The Congress party has no business to talk about the borders of our country. And they must apologize for surrendering huge chunk of land during 1959 and 1962. So that humiliation what we received in 1962, Congress has to apologize to the nation.
Is it coincidental that before every parliament session there's a googly thrown at India, like the Judge Loya case, Pegasus, Hindenburg, Rafale? All these matters have been raised just before the parliament session, and it clearly suggests that this could be a calculated attempt just to stall the parliament session.
जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष कह रहे हैं, इसकी जानकारी उनको कहां से प्राप्त हुई?
1962 में हमारा कितना जमीन आपने चाइना को सरेंडर किया?
Rahul Gandhi has done such a terrible mistake. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं इसको सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी? सेल्फ इन्फ्लिक्टेड इंजुरी, इंग्लिश में। जनरल बख्शी, सेल्फ इन्फ्लिक्टेड इंजुरी, इसको हिंदी में कैसे ट्रांसलेट किया जाए? जनरल बख्शी, कैन यू एनीवन हेल्प मी? जनरल बख्शी, जनरल बख्शी, आ बैल मुझे मार,
खुद पर आघात,
खुद पर आघात, आ बैल मुझे मार, अपने पैर में कुल्हाड़ी मारना।
भस्मासुर अपने ही सिर पे अपना हाथ रख के भस्म कर लेना।
जी, ये ऐसे राहुल गांधी क्यों करते हैं?
अपना हाथ ही अपने सर पे रख के भस्म कर लेना, भस्मासुर।
भस्मासुर, ये ऐसे क्यों करते हैं? सेल्फ, सारा कुछ खत्म कर दिया ऑपोजिट। वन सिंगल मैन ने, वन मैन, फैजान, और आप जिनकी चमचागिरी कर रहे हैं, दैट वन मैन इज डिस्ट्रॉयड नॉट कांग्रेस पार्टी, सारा ऑपोजिशन डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया। प्रियंका कक्कर को समझ में आ गया, वो दूर हो गए, वो दूर हो गए उनसे कि इनकी प्रॉब्लम है। मगर आप अभी भी कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी आप हमारे एकमात्र नेता हैं, आपके जूनियर पार्टनर हम हैं, आप आगे चलिए, अपने को भस्म कर दीजिए, हम आपके पीछे पीछे अपने आप को भी भस्म करेंगे। Ridiculous. No, ridiculous behavior.
देखिए, I'll tell you. Good evening to you, first of all, Mr. Goswami.
There's nothing to be said. There's nothing to be said. There's nothing to be said to say that General Narwane, Army Chief, did not get support from Narendra Modi. Acha. Now in the same book, apparently, which has been quoted, all these pieces are there. Idhar ye quote hai. Sudhanshu Trivedi. He, brackets Rajnath, had spoken to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whose instructions consisted, General Bakshi, of a single sentence. जो उचित समझो वो करो। इसको मिलिट्री टर्म्स में ट्रांसलेट कैसे किया जाता है, जनरल बख्शी बताएंगे।
Do what you deem fit professionally.
May I now, Mr. Goswami?
No, one minute. One minute. Do what you, if you had been the army commander, army chief, General Bakshi, and if there were Chinese tanks which were slightly moving towards you, and you knew that firing, hitting, doing anything with the Chinese could escalate a bigger war, you would have also asked the defense minister and the prime minister. If the political leadership would have told you, जो उचित समझो वही करो, उसका मतलब क्या होता, उसका तात्पर्य क्या होता?
Look, Arnab, it's very clear. There was the 1996 peace and accord, with the Chinese, which mandated that we cannot use weapons. We cannot open fire on the LAC, on the India-China border. Quite obviously, without that treaty being abrogated, it was essential for him to at least inform his, up the chain of command, that this is the kind of situation, the Chinese are coming up with tanks, so I must keep you informed. And if there are any instructions from the government, quite obviously the army will respond to them with alacrity. In this case, the Prime Minister said exactly what we would look forward from the Prime Minister. We want to hear from the Prime Minister as the armed forces. Do as you deem fit professionally. That means if you want to hit. Don't worry, I have your back. We'll handle the consequences. I think that is all that you look forward to your Prime Minister to say. Look, for God's sake, damn it, the Prime Minister is not a section, platoon or a company commander. He's not expected to give fire control orders from Delhi, man. He just has to tell the chief, go ahead and do what you think is right. Go right ahead. You have my back.
Yeah.
I have your back, rather. I have your back, and we will back you, whatever the consequences. That's what you want to hear. That's what we heard in Op Sindoor. He told the CDS, the Army, Navy, Air Chief, right? Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
I have full faith in you. I have faith in my chain of command. Go right ahead and do what you think is correct. Do what you think is best for the country, God and the country. That's what you want to hear from your, the highest directional level. He's not going to give fire control orders.
Okay. So 1 minute.
He acted.
So 1 minute. By the way, while we are speaking, we have had a breaking news coming in that Prime Minister Modi has just spoken to President Donald Trump, and Sergio Gore, who is the ambassador, has said stay tuned, यानी कि कोई बड़ी खबर आने वाली है. Now, question is, Sudhanshu Trivedi, मैं इनको पूछ रहा, Ratnakar Tripathi ji, what is the problem? What this proves is that army was given a free hand by Narendra Modi. It's written by General Narwane. और आप, you people are so shameless, you want to drag the army into some controversy because और कोई मुद्दा नहीं है parliament session में.
No, sir. Shameless is you. You put disgraceful word. You disrespect LOP. Shameless is you. Shameless is BJP, not us. Rahul Gandhi is the pride of the nation, and I again say, why is he being gagged? On 11th October 2025, General Narwane said in Kasauli, in Khushwant Singh Literary Festival, that my book is not being published since 1 year. It is now 1.5 years. Because of the communication between the publisher and the Ministry of Defense. Allow the publication. Make it crystal clear. Who has stopped you? Why do you abuse Rahul Gandhi? You too just uttered excerpt from that magazine.
You took one excerpt from that. In the same excerpt, the 1 minute, one minute, Ratnakar Tripathi. No, Ratnakar, you are being unreasonable. You are being unreasonable. You are being arrogant. You are being pompous.
No, I am not being unreasonable. Let me tell you one thing. The parliament is also run by the convention. And if anyone who is not there to defend himself or herself, the allegation by the name should not be there. And the Prime Minister had quoted 100 times names of Indira Gandhi and Nehru. Where was the ruling then? They are not there to defend. You can
don't go away. 1 minute. Don't run away. Don't run away. You're running away. You're running away from the मूल मुद्दा. You're running away from the मूल मुद्दा. मूल मुद्दा क्या है? मूल मुद्दा क्या है बताइए?
आप पढ़ नहीं सकते.
अरे मैं समझता हूँ, पढ़ता हूँ, हिंदी करता हूँ, हिंदी बोलता हूँ.
ये हाँ हिंदी में ही बोल दे रहा हूँ. ये व्यवस्था नहीं है. इन्होंने व्यवस्था दी है कि मैगजीन से नहीं पढ़ सकते. तो उसी तरह से जब आप नेहरू के नाम पे बोलते हैं, अक्साई चीन से लिए सबको लेके इंदिरा गांधी के नाम से बोलते हैं, तो आप नहीं बोल सकते. संसदीय परंपरा तो यही कहती है ना.
आप पता नहीं आप क्या बोल रहे हो.
माननीय ओम बिरला जी हैं, उनकी आंखों को क्या हो जाता है जब पोजीशन बोलता है, जब अपोजिशन बोलता है तो बोलते
झूठ बोलते हैं, झूठ बोलते हैं. यू आर लाइंग.
यू डिडंट अलाउ हिम टू कंप्लीट. सो व्हाट डिड ही वांट टू से?
अरे भाई, यू आर लाइंग. आप झूठे हैं.
आप देखिए, झूठे आप हैं, झूठा मैं नहीं हूं. आपको
जो झूठ बोलता है वो झूठा होता है.
ना आप झूठ बोल के करते रहिए.
जो झूठ बोलते हैं,
पब्लिक डोमेन,
जो झूठ बोलते हैं उनको झूठा बोला जाता है.
साहब ने क्यों कहा कि मेरी बुक 1 साल?
आई टेल यू वन थिंग. 1 minute, रत्नाकर जी, 1 minute प्लीज वेट. 1 minute. आई एम गोइंग टू से समथिंग, एंड इफ आई एम सेइंग समथिंग दैट इज रॉन्ग, पुल मी अप. मुझे पार्लियामेंट में बुलाइए, मुझे पुल अप कीजिए. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. अरे रुकिए ना यार, रुकिए. अरे रुकिए रत्नाकर जी, रुकिए. अरे रुकिए. आई विल नॉट टॉक लाइक दिस. आई विल नॉट टॉक. आप मुझे
ये बताइए.
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. मैं सुधांशु जी के पास जा रहा हूं. 9:25 होने को है. सुनिए मेरी बात.
ठीक सर.
जनरल मनोज नरवाने ने कहा है कि मुझे फुल फ्रीडम मिली. मुझे बोला गया, प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला कि आपको मैं कार्ट ब्लांच दे देता हूं. कार्ट ब्लांच को इंग्लिश में इसकी मतलब होती है कंप्लीट फ्रीडम टू एक्ट एज पर वंस विशेस. ब्लैंक चेक दे दिया है, जो करना करे. कोई प्रधानमंत्री ऐसे नहीं करते अनलेस ही हैज फुल फेथ इन द आर्मी. 1 minute. क्या 1 minute. ये देखिए, क्या ये बात आपके राहुल, अच्छा मैं बाबा नहीं बोलूंगा, आप सेंसिटिव हो जाएंगे. क्या आपके युवा नेता ने क्या ये बात संसद के सामने रखी कि प्रधानमंत्री जी ने फुल फ्रीडम दे दी थी? जनरल नरवाने को। ये बात भी कहनी जरूरी। नहीं, आप बात छुपा के, झूठ बोल के, एडिट करके बात कहेंगे और चाइना को एडवांटेज देने की कोशिश करेंगे हमारे पार्लियामेंट में चाइनीज प्रवक्ता की तरह बात करेंगे। ये क्या बात है? दिस इज नॉट राइट।
देश का एक भी राजनीतिक आप मुंह पे घुसाते हैं।
अरे छोड़िए, कार्ड ब्लास्ट वर्ड यूज किया है नरवाने ने। जनरल सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, डिबेट खुल गई है, डिबेट इज ओपन नाउ। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, 1 मिनट। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं पढ़ रहा, मैं फुल पढ़ रहा हूँ।
आप बुक में से पढ़ना
No. I hope.
Yes. What do you hope, sir?
I hope that I will be allowed to put my vote. Just point by point, precise. Number one, Rahul Gandhi ji, who was infamously having a delicious dinner at the time of Doklam. Rahul Gandhi ji, who got a very warm courtesy during his visit to Mansarovar, who was having a secret pact with China, who's consistently praised China in the various international platforms, and who is a habitual hater of Indian army, has put forth the things wrong on 4 points. Point number one, the book is not published at the floor of the parliament. Nothing has been a statement of anybody if it is not properly published. It is not considered an authenticated fact. Media reports are not considered authenticated fact. Number two, it is in starking contrast with the statement given by General Narawane after that incident and subsequently after the events and after he has retired. Number four, at the time of the incident, General Narawane was not the army chief. It was General Bipin Rawat in 2018 at the time of Doklam. And as per the military protocol, General Bakshi will be knowing better that any commanding officer doesn't talk directly to the Prime Minister or the Raksha Mantri. He talks to the army chief. And then army chief subsequently either takes a decision or talks to the government. And this is the same army chief at the time, Bipin Rawat, who has been used by Congress party for such a dastardly words like Sadak Chhap Gunda. Point number four, Rajnath Singh ji was not the defense minister at the time of Doklam in 2018. He became defense minister of 30th June 2019. And point number five, it has been published in which magazine? Karma. Oh, what a excess they are having. Arnav, I would like to remind, this is the same Karma magazine in 2011, which has got the opportunity to have the interview of Aseem Anand when he was in jail. How come a magazine has got the access of anybody who is accused of terrorist in the jail? And the interview was happened during the UPA government. The jailer and the subsequent minister should have been dismissed. On the contrary, on the basis of that Karwa magazine statement, the entire case has been upside down, considering that Aseem Anand's statement is correct. Now, I would like to say one more thing. As far as the facts are concerned, अरे सुनिए, पूरी बात सुन लीजिए। राहुल गांधी जी का चाइना प्रेम कैसा मैं बताना चाहता हूं। सितंबर 2024 में यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास डैलस में कहते हैं कि दुनिया में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है मगर चाइना में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं है। और मैं कहता हूं, एनीबॉडी ऑफ योर व्यूअर्स कैन गो एंड चेक फ्रॉम जनवरी 23 टू जुलाई 23, Chinese unemployment raised to 21.9%. Then China blacked out the data. Then again they started in January 2024 with a changed basis. In July 2024, again it rose to 15%. But Rahul Gandhi was saying in September 2024, again I am quoting, at University of Texas, Dallas, that China is not having unemployment. क्या गजब है साहब, ये करार का प्यार है या जो मिला हुआ धन है फाउंडेशन को, जो सबसे बड़ी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट से जूझ रहा था, उसको साथ देते हैं। और as far as there is concerned, I would like to quote, in February 1958, the then Foreign Secretary, Mr. Sumal Datta, writes to Nehru that China has made hundreds of kilometers of road in Aksai Chin. Then Nehru says that please verify it. On 4th of February 1958, Nehru writes to his foreign secretary, agar ye sach bhi hai, do not provoke others. It has to be dealt with amicably. जब ये प्रूव हो गया कि सैकड़ों किलोमीटर बना था, 1200 किलोमीटर। और सुनिए, आफ्टर दैट इन अप्रैल 1960, Chow In-lai got a grand welcome in India.
This cannot be a one-way street where only the Bharatiya Janata Party people are speaking.
No, I'm not giving a monologue. I'm saying you counter him. I'm saying you counter him tonight. One minute. I'm saying tonight. One minute. बोलने दीजिए ना. You see, आप कुछ भी बोलेंगे. आपने क्या बोला है?
What I am quoting, it is with fact.
Sudhanshu, continue.
4th February.
I will come to you after Sudhanshu.
Nehru's letter to then Foreign Secretary, selected verse of Jawaharlal Nehru, Series 2, Volume 41. उसके बाद बोलो, फैक्ट के साथ बोलो। और उसमें वो क्या लिखते हैं उसके बाद? चाइना को परमानेंट सीट देने के लिए तैयार। गजब है साहब, चाइना से क्या प्यार है। और राहुल गांधी चाइना के लिए कितने झूठ की बौछार करते हैं। और उसके बाद आकर यहाँ पर प्रधानमंत्री, रक्षा मंत्री के बारे में अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है आई हैव पॉइंटेड 5 पॉइंट्स। अब मुझे 5 पॉइंट के अलावा 1958 के फैक्ट के
साथ my question is similar. My question is similar now. One minute. शांति से मेरी बात सुने। धीमी गति,
बोलिए सर।
मध्यम गति, धीमी गति, फुल स्टॉप, आप बोलेंगे। थैंक यू। क्योंकि मैं चलती हुई गाड़ी में सवाल नहीं पूछता। आई एम सेइंग हियर टुडे कि भाई आपने रेज किया इशू की प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने डायरेक्शन नहीं दी। और इस मैगजीन की स्पिन देखिए भाई, सारी कुछ एडिटोरियल स्पिन। आर्मी चीफ कह रहे हैं मुझे कार्ड ब्लाश मिल गया, मतलब मुझे फुल फ्रीडम मिल गया। और नहीं, मुझे 1 मिनट, अरे भाई सर मत बोलो, प्लीज वेट। थैंक यू फॉर द रिस्पेक्ट यू आर शोइंग मी। 1 मिनट, क्वेश्चन इज, जनरल नरवाने बोल रहे हैं मुझे कार्ड ब्लाश मिल गया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर गेव मी अ फुल फ्रीडम। बट कैरावैन मैगजीन कहता है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर gave such a monumental decision to the army that he abdicated his responsibility. अभी ये क्या पागलपन है? No, 1 minute. You are telling, no, 1 minute. You are telling the army do what is right in the strategic interest. That is called decisiveness, Baba, not abdication. This is madness of the highest order. मतलब दिमाग खराब भी हो जाए किसी का, दिमाग फुल्ली खराब भी हो जाए तो ऐसे इंटरप्रेट नहीं होता है। No, this is the limit. You are dragging the Indian army into an unnecessary controversy, trying to play politics over a strategic issue. Shame on you, Faizan.
Respond.
Shame on you.
Respond, sir. Okay.
I call upon General Narwani to come out.
I'll tell you, sir. I'll tell you. अब आपने इतना सा बोला, सुधांशु जी, सुनिए, आपकी आवाज फिर एको करेगी, अंतरात्मा की आवाज एक बार फिर आएगी। सुनिए, मोदी साहब को जो उनके दुलारे हैं, जो जेफरी एपेनस्टाइन के दुलारे जो हैं, एयरफोर्स को हाइड बिहाइंड द क्लाउड्स का फर्जी ज्ञान देने वाले नरेंद्र मोदी साहब, जो रुपये के डॉलर को 90 के पार पहुंचाने वाले, 5% इंडस्ट्रियल्स के लिए बजट कराने वाले,
सुनिए साहब,
स्क्वायर किलोमीटर
जेफरी एपेनस्टाइन
सुन लीजिए
सुधांशु हु इज इन जेल, सजा याफ्ता अपराधी को कोट कर रहा हूं मेरे भाई। अरे लिमिट होती भाई, राहुल गांधी के डिफेंस में सजा याफ्ता अपराधी को कोट कर रहे हो, गजब है साहब।
अरे मिस्टर, उसका
ये कल रंगा बिल्ला को भी कोट करेंगे। दे विल कॉल रंगा बिल्ला आल्सो टुमारो।
कोई नहीं घुसा, सैटेलाइट इमेजरी में दिख रही थी। और नरवाने साहब ने अक्टूबर 25 खुशवंत सिंह लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल में कहा था,
दिखाइए सैटेलाइट इमेजरी, क्यों नहीं पोस्ट किया किसी ने? झूठ बोलते हैं।
द डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री, यू पीपल, that's the reason. And Mr. Goswami, Mr. Modi was looking for a scapegoat because he wanted to put the blame on the general, just like he did that on the Boeing aircraft Dreamliners pilot. His family was also harassed. The same problem was going to happen today. So Narendra Modi is not only incompetent, the entire government is very corrupt. And this BJP and toxic propaganda echo chamber, which is using technicalities of rule books, of unpublished book to silence
to the
India,
point answer.
This is not going to happen. We will expose your incompetence and cowardice. And please tell me how much you respect the army. Post Operation Sindoor, it was
Don't change the subject. Don't change the subject. Don't change. Abhi change karenge subject. Now Sudhanshu, now he's changing the subject. He's changing the subject. Abhi subject badalne ki koshish kar rahe hain because he knows he's been exposed on the initial claims that were made in the parliament floor today. 1 minute. No, Faizan, you're changing the subject. You're changing the subject. That's not fair. That's not fair. I won't allow you. I won't allow you to change the subject and move away Patli Gali se. I won't allow you to do that. My question
No, sir.
My question tonight is this. My question is this. See, a reporter of Republic asked Rahul Gandhi, Mr. General Narwane's statement has come out. He's saying that not even 1 inch of the land was given. Rahul Gandhi said that's not the point here. That's not the point. That's not the point. Whether the land was taken or not is a different question. That is the question you've been talking about. For the last few years, you've been saying the issue is land was taken. Now you say that is not the issue. When we say the general has actually said, Priyanka Kakkar, the general is saying, I was given a free hand by the Prime Minister of India. You're refusing to place that fact on the floor of the House. Don't do the cheap politics that the Congress party is doing. Priyanka, don't do the cheap politics the Congress party is doing. Don't be part of this anti-national narrative. Don't do this.
To me after 36 minutes. Thank you for coming to me after 36 minutes. I share my opinion. I share your opinion. When it comes to Rahul Gandhi, you and I are on the same page. Now. No, but then he's lied on the floor of the House, hasn't he? By not mentioning the moot point. If you are quoting something, you must also quote that you were told. You were told by the chief that you can do what you want. Everyone speak. If you'll have to give me at least 2 uninterrupted minutes. You've come to me after 36 minutes. Be kind.
I'm always.
Yes. So I'm saying that, see, when you invoked Aksai Chin, when you mentioned Nehru ji, I'm saying that like Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji also went to Nehru ji and asked to convene the parliament and discuss the topic, the issue of China. I think something similar is required of the government here because there's a huge trust deficit. This is a question of national security and let's not trivialize it by just just talking about Rahul Gandhi here. He's not important. My country is. Now the question is that, we repeatedly, we've seen this from Modi ji's come a long distance from saying 56 inch ka Sina to saying Lal Aankh to China to saying that to banning TikTok and then to increasing imports for China. I think it's high time that this topic is taken head on because also what has happened is that although
which topic
claimed that na koi ghusa hai na koi ghusega, but then again the MEA spokesperson had said the topic on China. There has been enough discussion and debates on it. It requires a house to be convened on this subject. In depth it should be discussed. And why I say this? Because after Modi ji said ki koi na koi ghusa hai na koi ghusega, you will recall MEA had said ki whatever structures have been built by China are illegal. Okay. And then again, Tapir Gao, their own BJP MP from Arunachal East, he's been...
But Narwane spoke about how the Galwan clash was a huge strategic victory for India.
No.
It was the army chief is saying, Baba, Priyanka, the army chief is saying. Priyanka, army chief खुद कह रहे हैं ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी जीत थी. आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
I am saying, मेरी बात सुनो ना. अब आर्मी चीफ ये भी कह रहे हैं ना कि 2 घंटे के डिले के बाद जवाब दिया. तो मैं कह रही हूँ there is a huge trust.
तो ये क्या WhatsApp exchange है? प्राइम मिनिस्टर आपको 10 seconds में बताएंगे.
Let them come out with the white paper.
What white paper, yeah?
Have a session. No, that is what I'm saying.
But Narwane has already said what he has said.
2009 manifesto they demanded. All I am saying is, listen, Arnab, I am saying it is a matter
it's not
of
making sense to me.
And this subject has been brushed under the carpet for the longest time. No, you will. This subject has been brushed under the carpet for the longest time. All I'm saying is, listen to Tapir Gao. All I'm saying is, tell us why did you sit with the RSS? Why was the RSS present in BJP headquarters sitting with the?
आप issue क्या है आपका? अभी China से RSS पे आ गए?
Please tell us all of this.
आप फिर you're changing the goalpost, ma'am?
अरे आप बहुत smart हैं. I am not changing the goalpost.
Smart मैं हूँ.
One issue and you know it better than anybody else.
मैं जानता हूँ. I am saying आप हर बार अपना position बदल रहे.
So I am saying
आप ज़्यादा popular भी हैं.
नहीं पोजीशन बदल रही. मेरी पोजीशन सेम है. राहुल गांधी जी को बात उठानी नहीं आती.
Galwan was a big victory for India, yaar. Accept it.
About Rahul Gandhi, I am sticking to it. I am saying that, do you recall Pradhan Mantri Modi said na koi ghusa hai na koi ghusega, and then MEA took a U-turn and said something else? You remember that?
अरे आर्मी चीफ कह रहे हैं कि हमने जब हमारे टैंक दिखाए तो वो भाग गए. The army chief is saying that when we showed our medium tanks, their light tanks stopped in that track. For God's sake, you can't separate the army chief from the prime minister. Don't do this. ये गंदी politics मत कीजिए. Don't do this dirty politics. Don't do this dirty politics. Don't try to divide the army from the prime minister. Please don't do this. मैं हाथ जोड़ के आपसे विनती कर रहा हूँ. Don't do this. this. I expect better from Aam Aadmi Party. I'm sorry. No, I'm not doing any drama. You don't become like Faizan. You don't become like Rahul Gandhi. No, I'm sorry, everyone. Sudhanshu Trivedi, I'm not understanding.
I can't even if I tried.
No, Sudhanshu Trivedi. I'm not understanding. Yeah, my head is spinning right.
Arnav,
I am telling you something. No, 1 minute.
No, Arnav.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, you must now come on the facts. आप हिस्ट्री में मत जाइए, इस इशू के कॉन्टेक्स्ट पे आप डिबेट कीजिए.
ये जब हिस्ट्री में चले जाते हैं तो आप जाने देते हैं. हम सवाल पूछे तो आप पूछ.
आपका कौन सा सवाल है?
हम लोग
अरे सरकार सीधा सा सवाल पूछ रहा था.
What is हम लोग?
मुझे रोक दिया.
What is हम लोग? वो सीरियल 25 साल पहले बंद हो चुके हैं. हम लोग
नहीं.
आपके हम लोग वाले कॉन्सेप्ट की कोई बुनियाद ही नहीं है.
सुनिए,
आपके हम लोग वाले कॉन्सेप्ट की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है. मेरे नुक्कड़ में ये सब बातें नहीं चलती है. मेरे नुक्कड़ में ऐसी बातें नहीं चलती है.
अभी सुनिए साहब,
ये जो है जिंदगी, इसमें हमारे एक ही सवाल का एक ही जवाब चाहिए.
देखता है भारत.
ठीक है, देखता है भारत. नहीं चलेगा. नहीं, आई वॉन्ट एन आंसर टू द पॉइंट. आपको रंगे हाथ पकड़ा है, कॉट यू रेड हैंडेड टुडे.
और पूछता है भारत की, आप ऐसा क्यों करते हैं?
मैं कह रहा हूं आप बिना तथ्य के बात क्यों करते हैं रत्नाकर जी? आपको मुझे अच्छा लगता है, अनिवार्य है आपको ऑन एयर हर दिन एक्सपोज करना मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
आप बोलने को देंगे नहीं.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, प्लीज कम इनटू द डिबेट.
सुधांशु जी,
अभी सुधांशु
पूछता है भारत में,
पूछता है भारत.
न्याय करिए.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, ऐसे नहीं. आप बोलिए पूछता है भारत.
पूछता है भारत में.
पूछता है भारत में.
पूछता है भारत में आकर, जब वो लोग आकर डिफेंड करते हैं जो भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे इंशाअल्लाह का समर्थन करते, तो बहुत विडंबना लगती है. बट आई विल लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट व्हाट प्रियंका कक्कड़ हैज सेड, दैट राहुल Gandhi is trivializing the subject,
yes,
and he doesn't know how to put up the subject. This
yes.
I will say again.
Yes.
मैंने इतिहास की बात नहीं की. The instance which he has quoted, he was not knowing the book was not published. Again, I am repeating. He was not knowing the exact statement of General Narawane. He was not knowing that General Narawane was not the army chief at the time. He was not knowing the procedure of the army, that any commanding officer doesn't talk directly to the Prime Minister. He talks with the army chief. अरे क्या बात है भाई, लगातार पता है प्रॉब्लम है. You are not able to counter the fact.
हेड ऑफिस थोड़ी है, कोई गोदी मीडिया थोड़ी जहां बोलेंगे. गोस्वामी का शो.
अरे भाई आपका भी नहीं है कि लगातार बोल रहे हैं.
Calm down. शांति. Calm down.
Not able to counter on a single fact. So there is no option left other than.
Calm down. Temperature कम.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में झूठ क्यों बोला?
फैजान जी, आपको बोलने दिया. अभी सुधांशु जी की बारी है.
फौरन रिजाइन.
It's his turn. Let him speak. फैजान, let him speak.
करना चाहिए कि नहीं रिजाइन करना चाहिए? This is the man, Rajnath Singh. He said disrespect.
What do you mean? This is the man.
By saying nobody was martyred on 11th April. 11th
Is there no respect? This is the man. आपके बेचारे भाई हैं. This is the man.
ये फैजान लगातार बड़बड़ाते चले जा रहे हैं क्योंकि एक भी फैक्ट का फैक्चुअल जवाब नहीं दे पाए.
Rajnath Singh, this shameless man should have resigned. फैजान, आप एक नंबर के धोखेबाज, ढकोसलेबाज,
oh my God,
हैं.
ना अभी आपने कुछ ज्यादा.
फैजान सुनो, कान खोल के. शेमलेस बोलने वाले. अरे उसे ये नहीं पता तुम्हारे शेमलेस आदमी को कि राजनाथ जी डिफेंस मिनिस्टर नहीं थे उस समय. अरे सुनो भाई, तुम्हें यही नहीं पता कि राजनाथ जी डिफेंस मिनिस्टर नहीं थे. आज भाई साहब बोल रहा है. उसे ये भी नहीं पता कि जनरल नरवणे जनरल नहीं थे. आज भाई साहब बोल रहा है. उसे यह भी नहीं पता कि किताब पब्लिश ही नहीं हुई थी. आज भाई साहब बोल रहा है.
नरवणे जी की.
अरे भाई क्या आर्मी चीफ, उसे यह भी नहीं पता कि उस समय जो आर्मी चीफ थे उसको लिए उसी के आदमी ने सड़क छाप गुंडा बोला था. क्या बात बोल रहा है? शेमलेस मैन वो है जिसने डिनर खाया चाइनीज के साथ. शेमलेस मैन वो है जिसने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया चाइनीज के साथ. शेमलेस मैन वो है जिसने की राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन में पैसा लिया चाइना के साथ और मैंने कोट किया. यह लगातार भड़बड़ा रहा आदमी. ये दिस इज नॉट द वे.
हो चुकी है.
अरे भाई ये तरीका नहीं है बात
बोलने की. कोई प्राइस
लगातार डिस्टर्ब करेगा. मैंने इनके बारे में शांति से बैठा था.
Am I going to give you a prize for talking लगातार like that? आप लगातार बोल रहे हैं. You're not listening to me. फैजान 1 minute. फैजान कोई डमशराज की कंपटीशन चल रही है, कोई एलोक्यूशन की प्राइज मिलने वाली है आपको कि नॉन स्टॉप बोलूंगा, ब्रेथलेस कोई पॉलिटिकल शंकर महादेव ना. आप 1 मिनट रुक जाइए. क्या नॉनसेंस चल रहा है मेरे प्रोग्राम में? नॉन स्टॉप बोलते जाते. आपकी फेफड़ों की कैपेसिटी आप दिखा रहे हैं इधर प्रोग्राम पे, शोइंग मी योर लंग कैपेसिटी। What is this nonsense going on? नहीं, कोई बात करिए। आपको लगता है आपका you have got a different intention, आपका इंटेंशन कुछ और है।
इंटेंशन मुल्क के लिए है सर, इनका इंटेंशन
कौन थे डिफेंस मिनिस्टर? Who was defense minister during Galwan? Who was defense minister during Galwan? बताइए मुझे।
Tell me who was defense minister during 2018? Who was army chief during 2018? Whether the book is published or not, there is a limit of lies which is being propagated.
When are you going to throw away Rajnath Singh for disrespecting the martyrs? पहले बोलिए, जवाब दीजिए।
Well, Rajnath Singh has steered the country during Operation Sindurang and other things, if you know. I don't want to tell you all that Mulayam Singh Yadav did when he was defense minister.
कि army should bow down to Narendra Modi.
I'm sorry, but army should bow down to Narendra Modi. Open debate now. I'll take it off.
आर्मी चीफ को गले लगाने वाला
मोदी,
कांग्रेस का लीडर, भारत के आर्मी चीफ को सड़क छाप गुंडा करने वाला कांग्रेस का लीडर, और राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि चाइना के आज सैनिकों ने हमको पीटा। ये लोग क्या तरीका है किस आदमी को?
Now Faizan, lower down. Now Faizan, lower down. Now Faizan, lower the fader now. Faizan, don't stop this. You have made interruption into a fine art. आपने सोच के रखा है मैं आज इंटरप्ट करूंगा, आपने किसी को बोलने नहीं दिया। जनरल बख्शी जैसे बैठे उनको बोलने नहीं दिया। Now Faizan, stop it. Sudhanshu, continue. Change the windows now.
कभी आर्मी चीफ को लगातार बोल रहा है।
I'm saying here tonight.
इस ढंग के लोग पा जाते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म तो नॉन स्टॉप बोल रहे हैं।
I'm telling you. Take Ratna. Change the windows. 1 minute. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Come to the मूल issue. Why don't you put all the facts out? You see, लगा दीजिए facts. नरवाने जी का statement ले आइए. Let Narwane speak in parliament and expose Rahul Gandhi.
Arnav, now can I speak? They do not have respect to any statement even by the serving officers of the army. Forget about the retired.
Priyanka.
In Operation Sindoor, the Director General Air Operation has done the press conference. And Colonel Sophia and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, the serving officers at then, still they keep on telling a lie. During surgical strike, Director General Military Operations has done the press conference. Still they were spreading the lies. During Balakot, Air Force Chief has done the press conference. None of the thing was done by the government. But had they accepted? No. जिसको झूठ का सहारा लेना है, जिसे सच मानना नहीं है, जैसे सोते व्यक्ति को जगाया जा सकता है, पर जो सोने का नाटक कर रहा हो, जो खुली आंखों से सच ना देखना चाह रहा हो, उसे नहीं कराया जा सकता।
सुधांशु सर,
और इस ढंग के लोगों को नहीं बुलाना चाहिए जो लगातार बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं।
सुधांशु सर,
लगातार कंसिस्टेंट बोलते हैं, पूरी डिबेट को डिरेल करते हैं, वन साइडेड मोनोलॉग करते हुए।
अभी आप कर रहे हो सुधांशु सर। तापिर गांव कह रहे थे कि जब भी मोदी जी या राजनाथ सिंह जी या फिर अमित शाह जी अरुणाचल प्रदेश जाते हैं तो चाइना अपनी साइड पे एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करता है और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोलता है ये हमारी साइड आए हैं, दिस इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया। अभी अरुणाचल प्रदेश के एक सिटीजन को भी डिटेन कर लिया था एयरपोर्ट पे, वो भी आपको पता होगा। तो तापिर गांव कह रहे थे कि आपको भी जवाबी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए और कम से कम मीडिया में उस बात का खंडन करना चाहिए जब चाइना बार बार कहता है कि मोदी जी हमारी साइड आके उन्होंने कोई कैंपेन किया, कुछ
कोट करिए, कब का है?
2020 हाँ बता रही हूँ मैं। पार्लियामेंट की स्पीच निकाल देती हूँ सर। लोकसभा में पार्लियामेंट में कहा है, पार्लियामेंट में लोकसभा में 2024 के इमीडिएटली पहले का है सर। आई मीन इट इज ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, चेक कर ले कोई भी सर इफ आई एम रॉन्ग। और मैं झूठ बोलूं तो मुझे अरेस्ट करा देना, हो तो आप करा ही देते हो वैसे।
He never said that the China has taken over India.
आप कैरावान वाले को अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं कराते? वो झूठ बोल।
नो, आप कोट करिएगा।
No sir, you misinterpreted my point. You know what I said. You know what I said.
They are the habitual liar. They doesn't need to have any credibility.
Openly. No. Tapir Rao is your BJP MP, sir. He is saying this कि कर दो नहीं तो एक और ढोकला हो जाएगा।
He never said like this. You are misquoting.
He said, he did, sir. In the parliament, he did, sir. There is a speech available, sir. There are.
What is your point, Priyanka, in the context of today's comments made by Rahul Gandhi?
My point.
Don't you have the integrity? Don't you have the integrity? Ek minute. Don't you have the integrity, honesty, and decency to say that Rahul Gandhi has made an incorrect comment on the floor of the House?
Have it. You should have it too for the nation. You should have it too for.
Well, I have more than you have, and more than you think, and more than you will ever have in your life.
No, How do you say that? What is your yardstick?
I am saying that because I will not speak against national interest. Because I will not speak against national. मैं राष्ट्रीयता के खिलाफ नहीं बोलूंगा.
Me or the least about Rahul Gandhi. No. मैं कह रही हूँ कि पार्लियामेंट में एक सेशन बुला लो जैसे एक्साइज इनके बाद नेहरू जी ने बुलाया था, जिनका आप बार-बार हवाला देते हो. मैं तो कह रही हूँ ना, एक बुला लो.
आप बुलाइए और फिर बोलिए कि इंदर कुमार गुजराल ने कैसे रॉ की एक्टिविटीज बंद करा दी थी पाकिस्तान में. बता दीजिए 1962 में जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने क्या किया था. फिर आप बोलेंगे यू गोइंग बैक टू नेहरू.
वो भी चर्चा करा लीजिए.
कराइए.
वो भी करा लीजिए. 2026 में वो चर्चा भी करा लीजिए, पर 2026 के मुद्दों की भी कराइए.
एक नॉन सीरियस पर्सन, एक नॉन सीरियस राहुल गांधी के समर्थन में आप इतना बोल रही हैं आज.
वाई अरे राहुल गांधी के समर्थन में मैं कैसे, आप जानते हैं ना क्यों मेरा मुंह खुलवा रहे हैं अर्नब. यू नो इट बेटर. I mean, I told you I have similar views when it comes to Rahul Gandhi. You and I are on the same page, and that topic is done. Let's not trivialize. Rahul Gandhi does not mean India. Nor does Modi.
No, but a statement like this in
Parliament. I want a full house convened on this subject. इसमें इतना गलत क्या कह रही हूँ मैं? अगर मैं कह रही हूँ क्योंकि इतना कुछ हो गया है, इतनी कुछ बात सुनते हैं, क्यों हमारा
क्या आप चाहते हैं कि अभी पूरा इंडिया चाइना मिलिट्री स्ट्रेटेजी को हम डिबेट करें?
नहीं, मैं चाहती हूँ मेक इन इंडिया हो, वहां से ना ले. मैं चाहती हूँ
सुधांशु and then I'll go to Janabag. सुधांशु,
क्यों 90,000 किलोमीटर चाइना बार-बार क्लेम करता है?
Arnav, try to understand
how much time.
क्यों नहीं पता कुछ उसके बारे में?
Arnav, try to understand the compulsion of Priyanka Kakkad. That he represents a party whose chief Arvind Kejriwal was the first person who has done an official press conference asking the proof for surgical strike. So definitely they and Rahul Gandhi are on the same page. So that's why she is defending the cause which has been a lie propagated by her own party chief. And despite the fact the press conference was done by Director General Military Operations, so we know very well what the respect they are having for the army chief. As far as this instance is concerned,
first person who stood with you.
अरे ये सच है कि नहीं? केजरीवाल जी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की थी. सच बोलिए, केजरीवाल ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की थी कि नहीं?
Yes or no? आप सच बोलिए.
Yes or no?
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बोला था कि हम आपके साथ हैं. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस उन्होंने हजारों की है. ये क्या बात हुई? Yes or no?
Proof नहीं. They have said.
But
he has said that I want.
No,
he said that the government should give a proof so that we can.
General Bakshi, the nation is looking at you tonight. General Bakshi, the nation is looking at you tonight. You must tell us whether Rahul Gandhi has lied or not. What do you think?
I challenge you. Anybody can go and check the video what Kejriwal has spoken, so I can understand your.
Yes, General Bakshi.
I request everyone to check.
1 minute, General Bakshi, 1 minute, calm down. General Bakshi, the nation is looking at you for your final verdict.
Used by these shenanigans of the Aam Aadmi Party. All that I would like to say is, please revert to the topic. Rahul Gandhi was supposedly quoting from the article in the Caravan magazine,
correct,
which you have read and I had read. He mixed up the years. He went into 2018 when the Caravan article is talking of 2020 Ladakh. Doklam, I hope he knows, is in the east. He must get his bearings.
I'm sure he does.
Right. Where is the east? Where is the west?
That also he may not.
Right. He, at least when he is reading and citing an article as proof positive of what he very grandiloquently thought was that he would highlight the incompetence of the Prime Minister, etc., etc. Check your facts, man. Check your facts. Read what is in front of you. It was not Doklam, it is Ladakh, it is the Kailash range.
Correct.
It is not 2018 as very rightly Sudhanshu has pointed out. It is 2020.
Right.
That this whole thing is talking about, this whole subject has been the instigating point is that article in the Caravan magazine. Please read that article before we start, losing our cool. First, read the article, which is the trigger for this.
All I will say at the end. We had a budget yesterday.
Was hysterical.
We had
because he was mixing up facts, mixing up dates, and then at the end of it, he did not realize that he was paying the greatest tribute to Narendra Modi.
Correct. He has paid the greatest tribute. Because now people know that the army chief said that the Prime Minister gave the army chief a free run. Ladies and gentlemen, we had the budget yesterday. We've been talking about artificial intelligence. We are talking about being the fastest growing economy in the world. And we have a lot to talk about in the budget session of Parliament. I think economics is not Rahul Gandhi's strong suit. Does he know anything about anything in an adequate amount of detail? My personal experience tells me when I met him that he doesn't. What else can I say? I'll see you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला। सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।